Hey guys, just a short video only. So this is the Cebu Pacific Airbus A320-200 with livery of Let's Fly Everyone. So this is the plane that officially retired. So say goodbye to our Cebu Pacific Airbus A320 with livery of Let's Fly Everyone. So this plane that we rode on last year going to Tuguegarao from Manila and also from Tuguegarao to Manila after our Calayan Island tour last summer 2025. So say goodbye to our model plane of Cebu Pacific. This plane with registration is RP-C4156. So goodbye and thank you for your service.